guys, welcome to Yumi's Coloring Fun Color and sit to my coloring book. Okay, I grab it. To my let's color this my Hello Kitty color and book. This Hello Kitty color and book. Let's open it. These two nice colors. And oh, a super Hello Kitty. I don't finish this color. Okay, let's found our colors then. Oh, stickers! Found my stickers. Look at these guys, stickers. Big Kitty, Hello Kitty. Let's see what's here. I think I want this Hello Kitty. Si Don, paano gaganto yung color, ha? Eh, paano ako makaka-color? Ha? Alam ko. Ano ba ito yung ganun? Alam ko na. Ganunin mo.